Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts.
Today we are unboxing and trying on the pink LoveShackFancy Cozy Plush Blanket. Now this is in the Pretty Fair Isle colorway and it is adorable. Now it is one print throughout the blanket on one side, and then you do have this like lovely plush Sherpa material on the other. On this main side, it is so velvety soft, and then on the other side, it's just so plush and just lovely. Now you do have a little patch on the bottom right corner that says Victoria's Secret Pink LoveShackFancy. So this is the only real different element from the typical blankets. Now they do release the other blankets like this with different prints for gifts with purchase or even just available for sale. But this one is so lovely. It's so pink and it is so LoveShackFancy. So the only thing that really tells that this is LoveShackFancy is that it does have this patch down here, and then it also has the LoveShackFancy bow. But otherwise, this could very well be a pink blanket on its own. So if you are not willing to, pay for it, or you want to get it as a free gift with purchase, you can always wait for it to be part of the free gift with purchase. Part of this collection, like when this launched, there actually was a free blanket with purchase, so we will be going over those colorways. They were like black though, so if you want something a little bit more cutesy, maybe that's why they released the black one with this pink one at the same time. Now it is a pretty big blanket, like it's perfect for lounging, either single person or double person use. This is it kind of folded up, and yeah, it's very cozy, it's very lovely. This will become a staple for you if you're able to pick one up. Now, like the other blankets like this from Pink or Victoria's Secret, this one retails for $69.95. So I actually don't think that they did any price increase because it was the collaboration. So it's really nice to see that, if you want something from the collection and you want it to be reasonable or at least reflective of the prices, the original prices without a markup, this is probably it.
All right, so trying this on, or really trying this out, I absolutely love this blanket. I have so many of them from over the years, and I think the pink one is just so lovely. You'll see I am wearing the Fair Isle sweater underneath. We are unboxing that in a separate video, and we will have a complete LoveShackFancy pink haul, so be sure to check that out. But I think just for the overall vibe, like it's so cute. I think it's cute on its own, but I think all together with the full collection, it's just so snuggly and amazing. So I can't speak more highly about this blanket. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe.